Short-tailed shearwaters have travelled 10,000 miles from Australia to be here. 18 million visitors darken the skies, the largest gathering of seabirds on the planet. Humpback whales have come all the way from the equator to feed in these rich polar waters. Their giant tails are 5 meters across. Simply raising them above the surface gives the whales enough downward momentum to reach the great swarms of krill and herring below. The shearwaters follow the giant's lead. For those who can get here in summer, these waters provide a feast of epic proportions. But the good times will be very short, a problem that faces all life in the polar regions.